Well, this has been a really fun project. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Hey, another thing I wanted to show you, that this is nothing but a simple little diamond hole saw that you get from Lowe's. It's a diamond hole saw 1-inch hole saw you get from Lowe's. That's what it looks like when you buy it. Pretty simple for do-it-yourselfers. Hey, another thing I wanted to show you, that this is nothing more than a 3/4 inch pipe thread fitting with a water hose connection. And that 3/4 inch fitting fits just right inside a 1-inch hole. And you can silicone around that. Boy, that's gonna let that dry. That'll be there till the cows come home. And this water hose fitting enables you to take your bottles on and off throughout the year. Winterize it, just take your bottles off your fountain. I wanted to show you how I put this water hose fitting in with silicone. Silicone the hole good. And put some silicone on your pipe threads. Whoops! Just stick that in. Ta-da! And it's in there. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run some lights up in this vase, and I'm going to have them shining up through the bottom of the bottles so they glow at night. Well, I think I'm finished. This has been a really fun project. I have to wait till tonight now and make sure the lights are positioned just right, shining up in the bottles. But other than that, I think I'm finished. This has been a really fun project. And this is the fountain at night.